Hi guys, welcome back. Look at this huge box of Happy Meal. Oh my gosh, it just about killed me to have to wait. I did get it, and then I opened it just so that I wouldn't have to open it on camera, and then I peeked at the letter, and this is from Miss Jessica. And so I have just about, I wanted to just open it right up, but I really had some files I needed to finish for work, and so I was good, and I waited until I got the files done. But oh my God, it has just about killed me. So I wanted to bring you guys along as I open this up. Oh my God, it's so much stuff. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my goodness, look. Wow, she gave me some stamps. Oh, those are perfect. Look at that stencil. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this stuff, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna try and stay calm, but I don't know if I can. Oh my goodness. Oh, and these are glassine bags. Wow. Oh, Miss E better not see this. She'll be done trying to steal this from me. Oh, look how beautiful. It's tissue paper, and look at that. That one's birds. I already know what I'm going to do with some of this. Look at those butterflies. Let me get this out of the way somehow. I don't know if I can. Yeah, we can, because we're going to clip this bad boy down. It's getting in my way. And I want to be able to plunder through all my stuff. So let me see if I can clip it. I don't know that it'll stay. There we go. Oh, these are beautiful. I need another one for this one because it's gonna get on my last nerve. Now I'm good. Oh, these are so beautiful. Look at those. Wow, Jessica. Oh my gosh, girl. These are, I love those. My mind's racing, trying to figure out what I'm going to create. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these napkins. Oh, these are gorgeous. Guys, number one, y'all know I love roses. And pink roses at that. And then look at these beautiful napkins. Okay, trying to decide what I'm gonna do. Ooh, look, the little birds. These match the bird tissue paper. These are nice napkins too. Wow, aren't they adorable? And look at these pretty butterfly ones. Oh my gosh, Jessica. And look at the flowers, the roses. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Y'all, I am going to have, oh, that is adorable. Y'all, I'm going to have way too much fun. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Wow, that is beautiful. Ooh, this one might be my favorite. I think this one's my favorite. That is gorgeous. Look at these. Where on earth did you get such beautiful napkins? Wow. Look at this. Gorgeous. Oh, and look at this. Oh, how pretty. Oh my goodness. It's that tissue paper. Oh my goodness, guys. Y'all see, this is Happy Mail on steroids, let me tell you. Oh, look at that. And look at the butterflies. Oh, the mats. Oh, yeah. My mother-in-law would have loved this. Oh, wow. Oh, and what is this? My husband, I think it's similar to like the blue Denabu. I don't know. I'm sorry, baby, if I mess that up big time. Oh, he's going to have a fit over this. Oh, my goodness, guys. Oh, my goodness. Look, guys, there's more stencils. And I'm not even halfway done with this box. Look at these. Wow. Oh, my goodness. No, you didn't, girl. Look at this, guys. Tim Holtz ephemera pack. Oh my God. Another stamp. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The collage paper by Tim Holtz. Guys, there's so much stuff in here. Look. It's a corner punch. It's got the waves. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, how adorable. This is a Tim Holtz stamp. Can you guys see that? How cute. Oh my goodness. And oh my gosh. Wow. Look, it's another tag maker. Oh my goodness. Jessica. Girl. And I got some art glitter glue. Boop, boop. Oh, that's exciting. I will use that today. I'm probably going to end up using all of this today. Distress glitter dust. Oh my gosh. Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Some feather stamps. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that. Jessica. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. Can you guys see that? Isn't that adorable? Wow, look at all this stuff. Guys, this is crazy. Look. Deli paper. You know what? I actually wanted some of this, but I didn't want to buy the big box of it because it would just, I don't have room for it. Oh, and look, it's another stamp. Oh my gosh, look, how cute. Wow, Jessica. Oh my goodness, you have outdone yourself. I don't even know what to say, girl. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, I am going to have so much fun because I promise you I am going to play with every bit of this before I put it all up. You know what? This would be cute to do like some glassine bags and then take some of these stamps and use the Stays On ink. Okay, see, my mind's racing now. I've already got ideas. Oh my goodness, look at all of this stuff. I really didn't have a lot of stamps either. Oh my goodness. I am like super excited. This is going to be so much fun. Wow, Jessica, thank you so much. You made my day, made my week, made my month. Oh, and look at the stencils. I really cannot wait to get a hold of these. This is going to be fun. What are these? They're layering stencils. Oh, okay. These are going to be so much fun. Oh my goodness. And then the Tim Holtz ephemera and the napkins. I already have an idea for the napkins, and I am excited about my art glitter glue. Super excited about that and my punches. And look, so I can embellish some of the stuff. Guys, Jessica, I don't even know what to say other than thank you so much. This truly was Happy Mail on steroids. That's the only way I know how to put it. Thank you, girl. I really do appreciate it. You have no idea what you've done for me today. And I'm gonna get off of here before I get emotional. Thanks, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.